Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a complete meal. It's a sausage bake. We're going to be using potatoes, onions, peppers and some sausages. I'm going to be using some plant-based sausages today, but you can use meat sausages, up to you. We're going to be doing the whole thing in the Ninja FlexDraw air fryer, and we're going to be using the whole Megazone, so both sections all at once. Let's get cracking. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time a new video goes up. So first off, we've got these British miniature potatoes, very small potatoes. I'm just going to cut these in half, and these are going to be going into the air fryer first. So we'll get these cut up. I'm using these amazing Ninja kitchen knives. Really are very sharp. Really impressed with those. So we're just gonna cut all these potatoes up, ready to go into the air fryer. Okay, so we've got our FlexDraw. We're going to be using the whole of the FlexDraw. So I've taken out the divider that goes in the middle to separate zones 1 and 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to just chuck all these potatoes into there and just spread them out a bit. There you go, see that? Spread them out a bit. Just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top of them. And we'll give them another shake. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, just to season the potatoes. Another shake. And then we're going to get them into the air fryer. So I'm going to put them inside the drawer. On goes the air fryer. We're going to be clicking Megazone, air fry mode, and we're going to put these on for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Let's push start. I will be turning them halfway through, so at 5 minutes I'll give them a quick shake. So while that's cooking, I'm going to start cutting up the peppers and onion. Wow, these knives just slice through peppers like they're butter. So that's the peppers cut up. Now for the onion. So that's the onion and peppers all cut up. The timer is just hit 5 minutes. We're going to give these a good old shake and get them back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes at 200 degrees. So the sausages I'm going to be using today are these Beyond Meat sausages. There are 6 of these in here. They're all plant-based, so vegan. And these are really tasty actually. These are probably my favourite sausages. They do cook very well. They don't taste like cardboard like some of the plant-based sausages. So after these potatoes have been in for another 5 minutes, we'll add the onions, the peppers, the sausages, give it all a bit of a mix up, and a bit of drizzle with some olive oil, a bit more seasoning. So there we are. The time is finished. Let's get these out, see how they're looking. So it started to brown a little bit, you can see there. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to put those there and then just empty all of the peppers and onions into the tray. There we go. As you can see, all in the tray. Give it a good old mix. And there you can see, all mixed up. So I think a little bit more olive oil now. Just a drizzle all over, and I'll give it another shake. There we go. So that looks good so far. Now we're going to add the sausages. So as I said, these are the plant-based sausages. I thought there were 6 in here, but there's actually only 4. These are really quite juicy sausages, which is quite rare for vegan sausages. And we'll just place these on top like so. So as you can see, there we go. Got our sausages and our veg. Let's get it back in the air fryer. We're going to hit the Megazone again. This time air fry. And what I'll do is I'll put it on for 15 minutes and then we'll just monitor it as it goes. Start. Okay, so they've been cooking now for another 7 minutes with the veg in, so another quick stir, get everything coated nicely. Here we go. And you can see looking really good, so let's get them back in. So the sausages have been in for 10 minutes now. Let's get them out, and as you can see everything is crisping up a bit now, which is great. Going to give them another toss around to make sure everything's cooked evenly. So there we go. We're going to put them in for the last 5 minutes and then dinner will be served. So we're coming up to the end of the cooking cycle, and I can't wait to see how well this has been cooked. So it's gone on to the cool mode. I'm just going to turn off the air fryer now and let's have a look inside. Wow. It's all sizzling. Don't know if you can hear that. Really does look amazing. Potatoes are cooked perfectly. Sausages are cooked perfectly. The onions and the peppers have got a slight crisp to them. Let's get it plated up. So there we go. This is our sausage tray bake. I'm just going to give it a bit of a taste. Really does smell amazing. Sausages are really cooked well. Potatoes perfect. That really is amazing. That's a lovely meal for me and my wife, and a little bit left over for lunch. So if you have got a big family, I really do recommend the Ninja FlexStraw 10.4 litre. You can actually get a whole meal for 2 people in there. So if you've liked the video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave any comments down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.